Are you a gaming enthusiast or content creator looking for the perfect combination of performance and value? Look no further than the RTX 3060 and Ryzen 5 5600X. These two mid-range components offer exceptional graphics and processor performance, making them an ideal choice for gamers and content creators on a budget. We will explore the features and benefits of pairing an RTX 3060 with a Ryzen 5 5600X, helping you build the perfect PC for your needs. The RTX 3060 and Ryzen 5 5600X are two of the hottest components in the PC world right now. With the release of the latest generation of graphics cards and processors, many gamers and enthusiasts are looking for the best combination of performance, value, and compatibility. We will discuss the features, benefits, and drawbacks of pairing an RTX 3060 with a Ryzen 5 5600X graphics card. RTX 3060. The RTX 3060 is the latest mid-range graphics card from NVIDIA, released in early 2021. It features the latest Ampere architecture, 12 GB of DDR6 memory, and a boost clock speed of 1.78 GHz. The RTX 3060 is an excellent option for gamers who want high-quality graphics at a reasonable price. One of the key features of the RTX 3060 is its support for NVIDIA's latest technology, including real-time ray tracing and DLSS, deep learning super sampling. These technologies enable the RTX 3060 to deliver stunning visuals with impressive detail and clarity. In terms of performance, the RTX 3060 is capable of handling most games at 1080 and 1440 resolutions with ease, and it can even handle some games at 4K resolution. The RTX 3060 is also a great option for content creators who need a graphics card that can handle tasks such as video editing and rendering. Processor: Ryzen 5 5600X. The Ryzen 5 5600X is the latest mid-range processor from AMD, released in late 2020. It features the latest Zen 3 architecture, 6-core Zen 12 threads, and a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz. The Ryzen 5 5600X is an excellent option for gamers who want high-quality performance at a reasonable price. One of the key features of the Ryzen 5 5600X is its exceptional single-threaded performance. This means that it can handle tasks that rely heavily on single-core performance, such as gaming, with ease. The Ryzen 5 5600X is also a great option for multi-threaded tasks such as video editing and rendering. In terms of performance, the Ryzen 5 5600X is capable of handling most games with ease, even at high frame rates. It's also a great option for content creators who need a processor that can handle tasks such as video editing and rendering. Compatibility: the RTX 3060 and Ryzen 5 5600X are compatible with a wide range of motherboards and other components. The RTX 3060 requires a PCIe 4.0 x 16 slot and a power supply of at least 550 watts. The Ryzen 5 5600X requires a motherboard with an AM4 socket and support for the latest BIOS update. One of the benefits of pairing an RTX 3060 with a Ryzen 5 5600X is that they are both relatively power-efficient components. This means that you can build a powerful gaming PC without having to invest in a high-end power supply or cooling system. Drawbacks: one of the main drawbacks of pairing an RTX 3060 with a Ryzen 5 5600X is that they are both mid-range components. While they are excellent options for most gamers and content creators, they may not be powerful enough for those who require the absolute best performance. Another drawback is that the RTX 3060 is currently experiencing supply shortages, which can make it difficult to find at its recommended retail price. Additionally, the Ryzen 5 5600X is also experiencing supply shortages, which can make it difficult to find at its recommended retail price. Pairing an RTX 3060 with a Ryzen 5 5600X is an excellent option for most gamers and content creators. The RTX 3060 offers impressive graphics performance at a reasonable price, while the Ryzen 5 5600X offers exceptional single-threaded and multi-threaded performance. Together, these components can deliver a powerful and efficient gaming PC that can handle most tasks with ease. There are some drawbacks to consider as well. The RTX 3060 is currently experiencing supply shortages, which can make it difficult to find at its recommended retail price. Additionally, the Ryzen 5 5600X is also experiencing supply shortages, which can make it difficult to find at its recommended retail price. Another potential drawback is that the RTX 3060 and Ryzen 5 5600X are both mid-range components. While they are excellent options for most gamers and content creators, they may not be powerful enough for those who require the absolute best performance. Combining an RTX 3060 with a Ryzen 5 5600X is a great option for most people looking to build a high-quality gaming PC. They offer an excellent balance of performance, value, and compatibility, and they are easy to integrate with a wide range of motherboards and other components. With the right setup, you can enjoy a smooth and immersive gaming experience that will keep you coming back for more. In conclusion, the combination of an RTX 3060 and a Ryzen 5 5600X is an excellent choice for gamers and content creators who want a high-quality PC without breaking the bank. These mid-range components offer impressive performance, value, and compatibility, making them easy to integrate into a wide range of setups. With the right setup, you can enjoy stunning graphics and smooth performance in your favorite games, while also tackling demanding tasks such as video editing and rendering. While there are some drawbacks to consider, such as supply shortages and the fact that these components may not be powerful enough for some users, they still offer an excellent balance of performance and affordability. Overall, if you're looking for a high-quality PC setup that won't break the bank, the RTX 3060 and Ryzen 5 5600X are excellent choices. Thanks for watching.